GMO. Now, the scary thing is, if you're not getting your crop organic, 98% of all the soy is GMO, about 90 or so percent of all the corn is GMO, about 88% of all the wheat is GMO. So unless you're getting it organic, you can almost virtually guarantee that corn, that soy, that wheat is more or less GMO. And we're the only country, by the way, that doesn't allow labeling laws. So they don't label the GMOs here, but they do everywhere else in the world. They started here. We're probably not going to regulate them. And the other thing is, so this was a study that was done in the Journal of Food and Chemical Toxicology. So what they did was they found this study was initially done. What really got GMOs passed was this same study. So they took rats, they did the study, but the study that was initially done that allowed GMOs to pass was only done for 90 days. So what another independent company did was they did the exact same study with the exact same mice, same species, same breed, same exact GMOs they studied, but instead of going for 90 days, they took the study for 150 days, and then that was the result. So do you think the company actually knew when to shut the study off in order to keep that stuff from happening? That was almost 100% of the rats that did that, but they just allowed it to go on, you know, a little bit longer. So there's so many things that are happening without us really consciously aware. It's not reaching the media. It's not really in our day-to-day. It's just we're living without it. Another study, Journal of Hematology, found that it's increase in leukemias, so blood cancers increase when we eat GMOs, also tumors and kidneys and liver damage, other things that are GMO. We're just on the front end of seeing the tidal wave that's probably going to come from these things, and that really terrifies me. The problem is when we go out to eat, or we go to dinner, or we go to church, or we go to wherever, the restaurants, we go to J. Alexander's, or we go to McDonald's, it's the same stuff. It's the same bad meat. It's the same bad GMO. It's really the same bad everything. Now, you're seeing some places like Chipotle and some of the countries kind of moving toward non-GMO and things, which is great. And that's not because they love you. It's because there's now a demand for it. So the culture has to change a demand for it. Walmart doesn't carry organic produce because they love their customers. They do it because there's market share. That's what drives it.